Have you ever wondered that how we should describe an image when there is absolutely zero or minimal information referred in the image? Hello students, I am Sonia from PTE Learning, and today we are going to discuss described image. The image type is maps. You must have often come across in your practice, or if somebody has taken the final test, then you could have noticed that there are certain images in the form of maps where there is very minimum information provided to you. So when you have to speak for somewhere around 35 to 38 seconds after preparing for just 25 seconds for an image, what are you going to include in your 35 to 40 seconds of description? So today, step by step, we are going to discuss that how we have to take up the question of describing image in maps particularly. So as you can see on the screen, there is an image which shows a map of a nation and it gives information about natural vegetation of India. You have various colors mentioned in the map, but do remember that there are no places highlighted. So the areas have not been highlighted in the image. The only information available to you is a few types of vegetations discussed on the side, and it also shows that each color depicts what kind of vegetation. So how should we go about such questions? And even in certain cases, you just have the image and there is no information like this on the exam day. Do remember that in case of maps, always try to take help of directions. As it says, when places are not highlighted on the map, you can make use of the directions and colors mentioned in the image to describe it appropriately. Next is that you have to try to recall the compass directions. For some of you who are yet confused, just a clarification. Topmost is the north, then you have the south right opposite to it, the east and the west. You can also subdivide into whatever falls between north and east is northeast, between east and south is southeast, between south and west is southwest, and between north and west is northwest. So with the help of colors and all these directions, we are going to describe this image. So if you remember in the image that you saw, you have a vegetation map, you have certain colors mentioned in it. How are you going to describe? For describing, keep the 5-finger strategy in your mind. The first is always tell what kind of image it is. The next is you have to give a proper title of the image. The third point is do include some peculiar features given in the image. The fourth is in case there are any contrasting features given, include them as well. And the last is present a conclusion so that you can score well on the most important 3 parameters. That's your introduction, the body of your explanation and the conclusion. So as you can see that after these directions, we'll move on to the explanation of the image. This is a sample answer which might help you preparing your PTE describe images maps. So the first line reads, the map shows information about natural vegetation of India. So that's the title, and I have along with it given the image type also. Yellow color represents tropical dry deciduous which covers most part of the central India. So moving on the same lines, I have included the area and the color which covers the most part of the country. The next is green color depicts tropical dry evergreen which can be found in east and southeast direction. Then some contrasting features. So on the other hand, orange color shows desert vegetation which covers the least area and is located on northwest of India. So now as a contrasting feature, we have given the area which includes the least, and an overall conclusion. You can give a general statement or you can make predictions as well. In this case, we have said that overall it is concluded that the image is very knowledgeable and informative for me. So using this template and this parameter, you can go on and practice your maps. Thank you. Have a great day. Take care.